paddle shifter retrofit for your Ford F-150. Hey guys, welcome to Beyond the Raptor, and in this series we explore smart truck gear. That means any upgrades that involve electronics, switches, software, or internet connected gear that improves your driving experience. Today I'm going to do a review of a paddle shifter kit for a 2011 to 2014 Ford Raptor or F-150. I do a ton of off-roading in the desert and I'm looking for more control, and when I found out about this kit, I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it, or fingers. This kit comes from Frostbite Fabrications, so let's take a look at what's actually in the box. We have 2 paddle shifters for the upshift and downshift, all the screws, connectors, and zip ties, and the wiring harness that helps you relocate those buttons down on your shift knob all the way up through your steering wheel. The paddles are made from an aluminum and plastic construction. They have a plus and minus for the upshift and downshift. And they have the integrated button where they actually rock and send the signal for each shift that you desire. Overall, they're pretty heavy in the hand, so they feel like very sturdy and solid build quality. Now, I'm not going to do a full install walkthrough on this video. The manufacturer's got a great video for that I'll link to, but here's some things about the install. It involves splicing into the shifter wiring harness, installing the paddles on the actual steering wheel itself, and routing all the new wiring up through the steering wheel harness. This kit will downshift really quick. It has a very strong and firm feel, and it's actually a lot of fun even on the street. Now, I got this kit installed right before our 2-day trip that we took to Moab, Utah, and did tons of miles off-road. And overall, to be honest, I'm not sure how I've been able to get along without it. With this kit, I was able to keep my hands on the wheel at all times, but having quick access to which gear that I need to be in without worrying about mashing the throttle, hoping that my truck would downshift. This kit gave me more confidence to push my truck harder than I ever have before, because there's more inputs I can now give my truck at the very time that they're needed. This upgrade has felt like a bigger difference than any suspension or engine upgrades I've even ever done before, because it makes my truck feel more like a trophy truck and less like a pavement princess. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified of all the future videos in the Smart Truck series. Okay, a couple points of criticism. First, I wish that the paddle shifters were a bit longer than they are, giving me a little bit more forgiveness of where I put my hand on the wheel. Turns out they actually have a second kit with longer paddle shifters. I would highly recommend you get those. And after 2 days of washboard roads, whoops, jumps, I can tell you that there was only one minor issue. I had a pin that started to come loose from the paddle shifter pivot, not all the way out. A little super glue fixed the problem, and all the future units that are shipping now shouldn't have that issue. They fixed it. So this upgrade definitely gets my stamp of approval for an upgrade that you must do to your truck if you do this type of off-roading, or even some of the street use it would be great for. Now, details in the description for these paddle shifters if you want to pick up a set, as always, and leave a note in the comments about what next smart truck upgrade you think that we should do to our truck. Hey guys, we're going to keep this video content rolling, but why wait for the next video? Check out the link here for another video that you can watch to get inspiration on your next upgrade.